Hello everyone, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a pattern for Bustier corset. So take a pattern of basic bodice and mark the apex point, which is the highest point of the bust, and then make a line perpendicular to the center. From that line, move towards the neckline by 1.25 inch or 3 centimeters. And on that same line, at the armhole side, move up by 2 inches or 5 centimeters. From the point that we marked at the center, go inwards by 1 centimeter. And between these two points, draw a curve. From the apex point, go down by 4.5 centimeters or 1/3 inches. Now draw under bust curve. I want more coverage for the depth of my neckline, so from the center of your shoulders, mark the neck depth and draw the curve joining this point. The side gap between the side seam of the pattern and the curve should be 2 inches. Now take a bra cup of your size and place it over the pattern. Stick it gently at the position. The gap at the sides will remain as is, just cover it up with the tape. Trace out the pattern marks of the bust area and slowly remove it. Cut the excess tape and carefully separate it from the pad. You can use talcum powder if required. Make sure the shape remains as is. Now place it back on the pattern and mark 2.7 centimeters or 1.25 centimeters on either sides of the bust pattern. Keeping the same gap, draw a curvish line and equally divide the remaining part as shown. Measure the underbust area till the center and subtract 1.5 cm or 3/4 inch and mark that point at waist. Join it with a line to the center of the bust pattern. From the area under the armhole, go inwards by 3 cm or 1.25 inch. And from the waist side seam, go inwards by 1.5 cm or 3/4 inch. Join these two points, this is our new side seam, and cut this extra part. Attach this extra part at the center of the basic bodice back pattern. Cut the back and front necklines. Remove the dart from the back pattern. Remove the cup area which we marked on the pattern. Take the new cup pattern and cut it on the lines we created on it. From these rough patterns, make final patterns and make sure to notch or mark the positions where we will join these together. Our pattern for corset is ready. Stay tuned for the second part, which will include the cutting of the fabric and stitching. This pattern will be useful for so many dresses, so keep it safe. Stay home, stay safe. Sayonara.